Hi, this is John Morgan with the latest video tip for 2020 design.
How do you transform floor plan shapes to dashed lines? Oftentimes, a dashed line will be used to indicate something. For instance, maybe a cabinet underneath of a countertop. These types of changes that you make to the floor plan help you improve your presentation accuracy. Maybe you wanted to show the countertop as a dashed line. Here's how you do that. You right-click on it, you choose the item, and there's an option called Display Settings. This allows me to control things like font, the appearance of lines, even dimensions. You'll notice at the top here where it says Outline, if I put a little check mark next to Dash and click Apply, my countertop has now become a dashed line.
For other great ideas, tips, and inspiration, please join us at 2020spaces.com/community.